Hi guys! Okay, so I've never made a video, hoping this works. So if you go into Shopify and you click on this little puzzle piece for apps to come up. Sorry, my internet is very slow right now, so you're going to have to bear with me. Let's see if it'll show the picture. It's very, very slow right now. I'm not sure what's going on. But you want to install Infinite Options, this one right here. So once that's installed, you will click on it. I'm very sorry for how slow this is being. I have no idea what's going on right now. And then these option sets are what you're going to look for. So you can go ahead and click New Option Set. And I will, I guess, show you. I'll just remake one of mine. So you're going to click Add Rule. So when product tag is, and then whatever you want it to be. So I have monogram color right here. Let me just show you guys that one. So pretend I made a new one. When tag product is monogram color, so the field label, which is what's going to show to your customer, like the header of it, is going to be monogram color. And then the input type, you can have that be text. I don't know what large text is, numbers, I don't know what radio buttons is, checkboxes, or drop-down menu. So if you want them to enter in, you know, they can have any color. So they can type over here what color they want. Or if I had, like I have elephant colors, I have a drop-down menu because there's only these colors that they can select from. So they have to select one of those. And then whenever you finish doing whatever you want it to be up here, text, drop down, check. If you have check boxes, if you know they could have more than one or something, they can check as many as they want. Oh, and my dogs are barking. You're going to want to click Show Settings, and you want to click Required. You want to highlight that. So Required means, you know, they can't check out until they have that done. Hi. So I will close that one up and show you one of my other ones. Show toddler sizes for my shoes. Same thing, I have a drop-down menu. This is what it looks like to them. And then same thing, show settings. And field name is what it's going to show at checkout. So if you have a few things like my elephants, it'll say like, you know, monogram color dot dot this, and shoe size color dot dot this. And then you just want to make sure Required is turned on. So save all your changes and everything. I didn't change anything of mine, so I'm not going to mess with that. And then you're going to go to your products, and if this will load. So this allows you to have as many variants as you want, because Shopify will only allow you to have 100. It's not even really 100. It's they make every combination possible, so 100 goes up very quickly. So I'll go ahead and just make a new product really quickly and show you guys. We'll go ahead and edit this later to what I actually wanted to say right here. Yeah, I will in a little bit. I'm recording a video, sorry. So you want to drag, you know, your photos in, whatever. And I'll put my other one in here too. And so then here's your tag. So this is how you get whatever you set that tag. So you want to remember what you said. You want to set it to something very simple so you can remember it. Don't set it to anything, you know, you have to go back and forth to remember it. So I'll just play around with these. This isn't what I would actually use, but, well, for one of them I would. For my rhinestone colors, which I don't know where that picture is right now for me to show my options, but, so I type rhinestone colors, and then, I don't know, I can do, I think I have birthday as another for my elephants, so we'll just mess around with this to show you guys. You know, whatever. I'll just play with that, and then you can also still add your variants here. So I am going to, since there's only 6 colors that I offer, I will go ahead and do that here. I can't even think of what they're called. That, black, chestnut, bilberry, navy, and what was the last one? Gray. So you can still have a few down there. And I'll do save product. And we're taking a long time to load again. And then I'll click view. And so it's going to show those 2 tags. It'll show their variants once I view it. I'll let these finish loading really quickly. So even though they're not showed down here in the variants, they will pop up. So let me see if I can view it now. And mine's being a little slow, so they might not show up right away on the side, but on a normal computer they will. Or not normal, but when my internet's working properly, they pop up right away. It's not delayed or anything. Really have no idea why this is taking forever. Alright, so the first, that's going to show up just because it's from the store, but the other ones will show up eventually. Normally they'd be there right away. There, so since I had typed birthday, and that's one of my tags in the app, they have to enter, this is my birthday. They have to choose a color, which normally I have a picture that's a chart, but I just can't find it right now. And then they have to choose a color, add to cart, and then I'll show you what it looks like to us when it comes to us. Yes, add to cart. Come on. So how I told you what that field name was, how I said it'll show whatever, so that's what that means. It shows that part, so you know you don't just get all these random, if you have a few numbers or something, like if you had different, whatever, anything with numbers, you wouldn't be like, what does that number relate to? So hopefully this helps. I hope this video works. If you have any questions, let me know. And then also, the other thing that I had to mess around with for my elephants is getting them in order, so it wasn't, you know, like elephant color and then length and then thread color and then day. I kind of wanted the colors to all be together, and then I wanted the length, the weight, the birthday, and all of the information to be in order. So how I got them to go in the order I wanted was I went back to the app. And then, I don't know if I can just talk faster. I just clicked and dragged the option sets, or renamed them actually maybe. So, you know, it 1 through 12 was in the order that I wanted them to show up. Or so like my monograms. I wanted first name to be first, middle name to be middle, and last name to be last. So first name is 5. I don't know why those are both 7. I think one's supposed to be, it's still working, but I'll call it 8. Just put them in, you know, numerical order, and it doesn't have to be 1, 2, 3, 4 because those are everything else, but just whenever you use those, this will go lower, or this will come first, then this would, and then this would, even though there's not a 6. I hope that makes kind of sense. If I were to put elephant colors into my shoes, or let's see, what do I have as a 6? Maybe I don't have a 6. You can really change them to anything. See, they're not that big of a deal, 13 and 13, but if you need to rearrange, that's how I did. I just numbered them differently, and that seemed to work for me. So hopefully this all makes sense. Please let me know if you have any questions. And this is my first ever video. I have no idea what I'm going to sound like, so hopefully it's okay. Alright, goodbye!